how we wash our vehicles here in Oklahoma. He brings his own brush and his own soap. And we're gonna get it all brushed out. Then we're gonna go for a ride and the rain's gonna rinse it off. Really, Jade? Really, you're gonna put it on the fucking windshield? Oh, this is gonna be nice. Oh, you're funny. Honey, it's not raining hard enough to rinse that off. We'll see. I'll do part 2 of this video. We'll see. You're doing a good job, though. Yep. This is good soap. Look it, look it, look it. This is how we do it. Nice.
Alright, we bitches.
I saw lightning. I'm getting back in.